All right, what is the gravitational potential on the surface of the Earth? Right, so Vg is negative Gm over R. Okay, so that is negative 6.67, 10 to the constant's not negative, right? It's just that minus sign that's in front. Earth is 5.97 times 10 to the 24th kilograms, and then how far? We got this far from the center of the Earth, right? 6.38 times 10 to the 6th. Okay, I can do this. Okay, times 5.97 E24 divided by 6.38 E6. That's a bigger number. I don't even know what it is. Okay, negative 624136636.36. Ooh, that's cool. It's got 363636. Okay. If I was smarter, I'd know what this meant. Okay, so I think what do we have here? We've got negative 6.241 times 10 to the 7th joules per kilogram. Ta-da. So that is this, again, this is how many joules of energy per kilogram of mass, right? So if you start a 1 kilogram mass out here, okay, at infinity and let it fall, far away, right? Let it fall to the Earth. I mean, thank God there's an atmosphere, right? Because that thing's going to have 62 million joules of energy, a 1 kilogram mass. And there are masses out there somewhat larger than that, right? Or another way to look at it is if you threw that mass up from the surface, if you gave it that much kinetic energy, if it was 1 kilogram and you give it 62.4 million joules, it would escape from the Earth. It's wild, huh?